5 Health benefits of eating cashew nuts. Improve heart health. Cashews contain unsaturated fatty acids, which help keep cholesterol levels in check. As a result, it further reduces hazards like stroke, cardiovascular diseases, and heart attacks. Lower cholesterol levels. Cashews are abundant with monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids. These acids help reduce cardiovascular disease risk. In addition, cashews may help decrease total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. Results from a study suggest that the daily consumption of cashews may be a simple dietary strategy to help manage total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. Manage and prevent diabetes. The consumption of cashews may help improve insulin levels. They can increase good cholesterol and reduce bad cholesterol. It can reduce the risk of heart diseases in people with diabetes. Research suggests that people who eat a cashew-rich diet have lower blood pressure and higher HDL cholesterol. However, you may experience it within 12 weeks. In addition, the same research also shows that a cashew-rich diet does not increase blood glucose levels and weight. Improve skin and hair health. Cashews are rich in selenium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, and magnesium, excellent for your skin. It is also a source of proteins, antioxidants, and plant-based chemicals. As a result, they aid in keeping your skin healthy and avoiding wrinkles. In addition, since they are rich in antioxidants, cashews promote the growth of new cells to ensure that the skin elasticity remains intact. As per research, eating cashews and applying cashew nut oil to the scalp may help reduce melanin. It is due to the presence of copper in cashews. In addition, certain oleic and linoleic acids present in cashews lend a silky finish to the hair and improve hair color. Boost your gut. Cashews are rich in dietary fiber. It helps in the digestion process and also provides food for gut-friendly bacteria. As a result, it allows good gut health and prevents intestinal issues.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.